In the customer's copper wire milling process, copper chips mixed with cutting fluid made workshop cleaning difficult and caused high metal loss during remelting. Enerpat designed a customized, conveying, oiling briquetting, robotic stacking, integrated system to solve these challenges. The system automates chip collection, oil separation, briquette formation, and robotic handling, improving efficiency and simplifying waste handling. After deoiling, the oil content is reduced to below 3%, and compressed briquettes greatly reduce volume, making transport and storage easier. The robotic arm automatically arranges the finished briquettes in neat stacks, optimizing on-site organization and space utilization.